cookies. Going to mix our dry ingredients. And 1/4 cup of keto wheat flour. And 1 teaspoon of baking soda. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Whisk with a magic whisk. Whisking, whisking, whisking. Keep on whisking, whisking. Whisk it good. This side, 6 tablespoons of butter. Come on, butter. Get up, get up, get out. It's my sugar alternative. We mix. No sugar added, peanut butter. Come on, no sugar added, peanut butter. Tablespoon of vanilla. And 1 egg. And we mix. Place the batter of a bowl of sprinkles. Yeah. Roll it around. Sprinkles cover the cookies. Then place the ball onto the cookie sheet. Cookie sheet. Have them on the cookie sheet. Pick them to the oven at 325 for 10 minutes. Have hard chocolate. Put them in the middle. And push down.